Need a security guard in Houston, Texas? Call 281-710-8866. At ANZ, American National Zone Security Services include uniformed security officers. ANZ Security maintain the highest performance standards in each service ANZ Security offer. Services included armed and unarmed security officers, industrial security, commercial security, residential security. Give us a call 281-710-8866 for specials. Only the best are hired by ANZ Security, certified by Patrol Officer School, uniquely trained for assignments, firearm trained and certified available. Each candidate is thoroughly screened, background checked, drug tested, highly trained, and is fully certified before we hire them to become ANZ Security Patrol officers. Protection is our business. Your safety is our goal. Call now 281-710-8866. Again, it is 281-710-8866. Thank you for your interest in ANZ Security, and we will be very pleased if you chose us for your security needs. Thank you for visiting ANZ Security. Now serving Houston, Dallas, Austin, San Antonio and surrounding areas.